Hello. In this video, I will discuss the version of the RSI-CD indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is an improved version of the RSI indicator, which not only plots the RSI itself, but also its complement, meaning 100 minus the RSI value on the chart for us.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
It also plots smooth lines of these two for us. This thin red line you see is the line of 100 minus the RSI, and the thin green line you see here is the line of the RSI itself, which is known as RSI and RRSI in this indicator. These thick red and green lines you see are the smooth versions of these, with the period specified in the input using the linear weighted method. The histograms you see here, represent the difference between this green line and the red line. If the green line is above the red line, we have histograms with positive values in green. If the red line is above the green line, we have histograms with negative values in red. Additionally, you can see a red smoothed line here. These histograms are again linearly weighted and based on a period that we specify in the input. We will review the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the RSI period, which is the thin green line I mentioned earlier, where we can enter our desired value. The next option is the RRSI calculation period, which is the thin red line present here, and we can also specify its period. The next option is the smoothing period for the green line, where we can enter any suitable value here. And the following one is the smoothing period for the red line. And finally, the smoothing period for the histograms, which gives us this line, the red dashed line. We can also specify that period here. We will see a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. As you can see, the settings are exactly in line with the settings and inputs in the MT5 version. We will see a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.